Welcome! Today we'll learn how to make a simple compass using just a paperclip, magnet, and water. This experiment demonstrates how Earth's magnetic field can be used for navigation. For this experiment, you'll need a paperclip, a magnet, a bowl of water, and a small piece of tissue paper. Let's start with step 1, magnetizing the paperclip. Take your magnet and stroke it along the paperclip about 50 times in the same direction. This aligns the magnetic domains in the paperclip, creating a temporary magnet with north and south poles. Step 2. Cut a small piece of tissue paper, about 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. This will help the paperclip float on the water's surface tension. Step 3. Place the magnetized paperclip on the tissue paper, and gently place both onto the water's surface. The tissue paper will eventually become saturated and sink, leaving the paperclip floating on the surface tension. Step 4. Watch as the paperclip rotates to align itself with Earth's magnetic field. The paperclip will point roughly north-south, just like a regular compass. This happens because the magnetized paperclip is now free to rotate in response to Earth's magnetic field. And there you have it. You've created a simple compass using everyday materials. This experiment shows how we can detect Earth's magnetic field and use it for navigation, just like early explorers did centuries ago. Thanks for watching.